Hi, I am Balasai Vishwanath. I am a foreign medical student. I have many doubts regarding the MCA screening test, and many of my friends have. So I have someone with me today who can clear all my doubts by today. So I have with me. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Can you clear me the doubts regarding MCA screening test?
Yeah, of course.
What is this MCA screening test actually?
MCI is a Medical Council of India.
Okay.
It conducts the screening test for foreign medical graduates to give a quality of the medical doctors to the India. If you want to become a doctor in India, you must have to clear this exam.
So what is the test format?
The test format is completely computer based test. It is not an internet based test.
Okay.
In previous, we are using the pencils and papers. Instead of pencils and paper, we are using now computers.
Okay.
That's the difference.
So the growth in technology.
Yeah.
And so what is the total score and what is the pass mark for this exam?
The total score for this MCA is 300.
Okay.
To pass this exam, you must have to get the minimum 150 marks. That means 50%.
Yeah. And what is the time schedule for this exam?
The time schedule for this exam is they are dividing two sessions, evening session and morning session. The morning session is have the 150 questions and 150 minutes, and the evening session is having the 150 questions and 150 minutes. In between these two sessions, you have the break.
So as usual for every exam you have a break. There will be a
Yes.
break.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the exam fee for this exam?
The MCA exam fees is 5,500 Indian rupees.
Okay. So for both the sessions 1 and 2 it will be just 5,500.
Yes, they will give the material for this, including the material 5,500 Indian rupees.
Okay. So what will where will they conduct the exam?
They will conduct the exam in different cities.
Okay.
Nearly 27 cities are there in India. They are conduct. You can choose a center according to your wish. That is first come first base.
Okay.
So you can choose the near place by your chance.
And when they will be conducting this exam? What is the time during any year?
They are conducting the exam in 2 months. That is in June month and in December. That means in 1 year, 2 times they are conducting.
And what is the type of question format they'll be following?
The question format is a multiple choice type of questions.
Okay.
They are giving the 4 choices for each question. You can choose the best answer for each one. That is multiple choice type of questions.
And will there be any negative marking for this?
No. There is no negative marking for the medical MCA exam.
And how will be the score allotted for each subject in this?
They are allotting the score for the paramedical subjects is 100 marks,
Okay.
and clinical medical subjects is for 200 marks. If I take in the paramedical subjects, those are anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, microbiology, pharmacology, and forensic medicine. If I take in the clinical medicine subjects, means those are the surgery, ophthalmology, ENT, and pediatrics. These subjects are related to the completely clinical base. If you want in a subject base, how the scores are allotted means the highest score they are giving to the medicine. The medicine is totally 33 marks, and for surgery is 32 marks, and community and OBG, and they are allotting the 30 scores. Anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, for these three they are allotting each subject individually 17 marks. And ophthalmology, ENT, they are allotting the 17 marks. 15 marks.
Okay.
For anatomy, physiology, biochemistry is 17 marks. And the ENT and ophthalmology, pediatrics, they are allotting the 15 marks. And for second year you are studying like microbiology. Surgery, I already told, surgery is 32 marks they are allotting. The microbiology, pharmacology, they are allotting the 13 marks. And radiology, forensic medicines, they are allotting the 10 marks. Each subject having the 10 marks. And dermatology and the anesthesiology, like minor subjects, they are allotting the 5 marks. So totally 4 minor subjects are there. They are allotting the 5 marks.
So the highest score will be 33 per subject and the least will be 5.
5, yeah.
So a maximum of how many times will they allow us to write the exam?
In previous, there is a limitation. You must have to clear this exam within the 3 attempts. But now there is no limitations. You can attempt as many as times. There is no limitation. After the long time they fought the foreign medical students from the court, they got this approval. There is no limitation. You can attempt many times.
So is there any impossibility that we'll fail in this exam? Like it's
I don't know why those people are using the impossible word for this MCA exam. I think these words are using by the repeated failure foreign medical students. Repeated failure students only these are using. Maybe they have some. These are the just illustration ideas. This is not. There is no strong reason to support for their.
like I have something, but I'm sorry to say this. Like Indian government is making this that this is failing many of the students who are foreign medicals graduates already.
No. It is not a real one. There is no support of the. There is no reasonable support for they are failing the foreign medical students. What is the purpose to fail that? There is no proper strong reason to support those people questions.
Then why is it that every year the pass percent is going down for the MCA screening test?
Yeah. For this, I will give you the best explanation and a strong explanation to satisfy your question. In foreign medical graduate students, in previously you said yes, it is correct. Previously their passing rate is high, but in recently the passing percentage is declining year by year. It's the truth. The reason behind it is now all foreign medical students they are using their seniors material and they are not studying their textbooks. These students are not the textbook readers. They are the shortcut readers, and before exam they will read and they will go and write the exam. In previous, those people are not having their seniors, and they prepare their materials and they will read the textbook. But now they are not using any material. They are not studying the textbooks. They are completely depending on seniors. And the second reason, the most I feel is Indian students or Indian people are more sentimental people. So those people always, we always require the motivations. For the medical students in foreign, there is no motivation. They are not giving any motivation. And third reason is, for this MCA, there is no guidelines for them. How to face this MCA, they are not giving after coming to India only, they are advising how to face this MCA. But when they are in a foreign, there is no guidelines for them how to face it. And one of the reason also, the foreign medical universities they are providing according to their purpose. That means according to the standards and according to the requirement for their country, they are providing the teaching, but not the aim to send the students to the MCA. Their main aim is to graduate the students according to the standards and according to the requirement for their country. Their main aim is not the MCA. Their main aim is to graduate the student. That is the one of the reason. But those foreign medical universities are doing the well, their level best. The student should be motivated himself and do the practice by himself and reading the different authors' books. Then only he can face these problems. And so many illustrational thoughts and ideas are there for something they intentionally failing. These thoughts should be avoided first. This is a very fair exam. Everybody, if below average students also can, by spending the time 3 to 4 hours, he can pass this exam. If you are above 80%, means you can directly come and attend the MCA exam and pass at first attempt itself. If you are below average or good, means you compulsory spend the time minimum 6 to 10 hours for the 3 to 4 months. Then you will pass. It is a very fair exam. Minimum 150 to get to pass. So I think that these problems are facing the medical students nowadays. They are not reading the textbook. They are reading the seniors' materials or some of the material given by the SARS, and they are depending on that. They are not reading the textbook. After coming to India, when they are need to go for the MCA, they started to read the textbook. So by the time seeing the textbook, they may feel scary. Oh my God, what is this much matter is there in textbook? I didn't read before. So because of that fear, so many medical students are failing. Better to start read the textbook at as early as possible. I think you are a second year, you told to me.
Yes.
So you start early itself. This is the best time.
Yes. Sure, I will start then.
Yes, good.
Thank you so much, sir, for clarifying all my doubts.
Yes,
So
okay.
finally, do you want to say something to the foreign medical students?
The foreign medical students, for medical students means those are the good hard workers. Medical students means is that those are the good hard work people only. They will come to the medicine.
Yes.
But I want to say another word too. You are a good hard worker, but you should add the smart. You should behave like a smart and hard working. Then only you will achieve easily.
Yeah.
The medical students means hard work. But you should add the smart. Then only you will achieve. Do you have another question?
That's it, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's good. Thank you so much.